Nah, what's up, guys, man? You already know who it is. Your girl, Dream Chaser Geo. Right now, I'm about to drop my car off to get some dope mods. Or should I say a dope mod? Like, I'm going to miss my baby for a couple of days, but it'll be well worth it. It's going to be well worth it. So, y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all stay tuned. This is about to be sick.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't.
What is happening, gang, man? I am back. I'm back. Hey, I got some exciting news. My baby is finally ready. So I will be heading out to go get my car, man. Woo! This mod finna change the game for real. It's something I always wanted to do, but I always procrastinated. I need to stop procrastinating. Never procrastinate. It's not a good thing to do. But when y'all see this new mod, about to blow y'all minds away. I'm excited. So I know y'all gonna be excited, man. I appreciate all y'all for coming through, always showing love, checking out the channel. But man, look, y'all stay tuned. I won't be in this thing too much longer, man. Give me a couple hours, and I'm back riding. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all, so I just dropped off the rental car. That little Jetta, that little thing get up. Little thing fast, for real. I don't know. Then I go to fill the tank back up, because you know you got to fill the tank up before you return it. I'm like, it's barely over half. So I tell them 15. Thing didn't even take 15. All it took was $9.50. Hey, man. Hear me? What's going on now? Just playing. But hey, man, almost time. Wait finna be over. I'm telling y'all, man, I'm just too excited. I'm too excited.
1 hour later.
This is Firefly Hemi. We just installed this 800 count star ceiling for my girl Geo here. I'll show you.
Ooh. Hey.
So if y'all looking to get some stars, hit me up.
Man, y'all don't know how excited I am. Hey, and the fact, man, look, this just the basics. You know what I'm saying? Like, these things can do so much, man. I am so happy, man. Shout out to that boy Firefly, man. He hooked me up. Woo! Whoa, what's happening, man? I got some more mods, man. Hey, this thing slowly but surely coming together. Yes, indeed. Y'all stay tuned to see what's beneath these boxes. Alright, y'all, so I just got my car back, but guess what? I'm dropping it off again to get some more stuff done to it. So, but it won't take 2 days, so y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all stay tuned. See, they finna take it to the back right now. Y'all stay tuned. Ain't gonna be that long. I'll get it back today, so that's the good thing. Things sound good. What's happening, man? I'm back. And guess what? Just got my last mod of the weekend finished. Yeah, I'm gonna say weekend. Check me out. Got the good old Flow series going. Shout out to Lightning Trends for that. And I'm to my, hey, that thing dope. So yeah, man, they change colors. They do all type of stuff. These are the Flow series editions. It could run more than one color underneath the car. Like multiple colors, all type of stuff. Kind of dope. I like it. This on its own little series, as you can see. Hey man, I'm feeling this. I'm in love. Got me some lights now. I've been procrastinating once again, but I got them. No, I will not be cracking my headlights anytime soon. I know y'all probably like, why you don't do the headlights? No, due to some issues I came encounter with my Challenger, I choose to wait on the headlights. But this will do for now. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment how y'all, let me know how y'all feel about the new little setup. But that being said, you already know your girl Dream Chaser Geo is out.